Hello, Nigeria, my good people. I am not doing video. I am not those kind of people who is doing a gossip or blogger in YouTube. I just come out to come and warn some people because this is getting too much. Is our country that there is no road? You will go, you cannot see road. Not to talk of the killing that they are killing everybody now. People will travel from Europe to go to Nigeria. Most of them will not return back. Is there you see some people, they will build us, putting it on YouTube. Cook, putting it on YouTube. Even stew, put it on YouTube. Is that the problem of the country? Is that the problem of the country? Even you see some of them buying car, putting it on YouTube. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Ehwe lowa, ehwe muwa. Are you people not ashamed? The car you people are sample on YouTube day and night is other country. Is human being like you people that doing it. Human being like you people. They are the one producing the car. A rat will buy car, he will put it for YouTube. Goat will buy car, he will put it for YouTube. I'm not saying buy car is not good though. Even myself, I have. I'm not saying to buy car is not good. Even myself, I have money, I can buy a lot of it. I'm not saying it's not good. My problem is that I've never seen a white woman, white gay, even the people that create the YouTube, buying a car, putting it on YouTube, say, this is the latest today, oh, this is the car I have today, oh, have not seen. Why is it that anything that comes to our country is extraordinary? Why? Why? This is our country. We don't have lights. We don't have road. We don't have hospital. We don't have a good education. Somebody will come out for university, cannot even express us, he or herself. He will come out for university. He will not, because the good teaching is not there. Eh? We show everything as if, oh my God, the thing is getting too much. Please, I'm begging every one of you. If you buy anything, keep it to yourself. You are not the first person to buy something. You will not be the last person to buy something. Keep it to yourself because this YouTube of a thing is getting too much in this country, Nigeria. It's getting too much. It's getting too much. Why must you buy slippers? You put it on YouTube. You buy pants. You put it on YouTube. You buy your titty. You put it on YouTube. Why? Why? And most of you that say you are doing Instagram, you have to be educated in your sphere. Be educated in your sphere. I don't know whether many of you that have the Instagram, your sphere there's nothing inside. There's nothing inside in your sphere. Must you buy anything and put it on Facebook or put it in YouTube? Is that the problem we are facing in Nigeria today? Is that the problem? Instead of all of us to come together, think of what to do to make the country go forward. We are blaming governor, we are blaming president, we are blaming... Yet I know all those ones, they are the greatest demon in the world. We say we ban devil, we ban devil, we ban devil. I know the president, the governor, the senate, all of them, they are the greatest demon in the world. When you go to Europe, you cannot see all those kind of a thing that is happening in our country. I know, but we individual, we should come together to make the country go forward. Not the one that maybe you can able to dupe one error from one man hand or one woman hand, or you work it with your whole sweat. I don't know. You buy a car, you put it on YouTube. You buy build a house, you put it on YouTube. Are you the first people to start it? To start it, go to Europe, you see mansion. You see 18 years, you see the car that 18 years is pulling, even 17 years. They don't use those agbada and shokoto. But come to Nigeria. Everything about Nigeria is different. Why is it like that? This is a country. Go to Ghana and see how Ghana is booming. This is the country that we, when I was small, they made them to leave Nigeria many years ago. They said they should go. Ghana must go. But today, go to Ghana. You'll be ashamed of yourself. Go to a neighboring country. You'll be ashamed of yourself. Come to Nigeria airport. My backyard is not like that. My balcony is not like that. Eh? Come to Nigeria airport. You will even be asking yourself, is this a country? Is this my country? Is this place a country? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. What is happening to our country? I don't understand. Must you buy anything and bring it out for YouTube? Must you buy anything and bring it out for YouTube so that those who don't have money to buy, they should go and die? They should go and die. Or those who is like you, they should go and do everything by thing to make sure that they have the thing too. Abi? Is that what you people are planning to do? Or planning to say? If you buy anything, I'm begging all of you with the name of the Lord. The God I am serving, I'm using it to beg every one of you. When you buy anything tangible, keep it to yourself. Don't bring it out to the public. Because you are not the first person to buy it. You will not be the last person to buy it. So keep it to yourself. Oh my God. So this is the latest car out today. This is Lazarus. This is, what is it? What is it? What is it? Are you not ashamed of yourself? It's human being like you that is producing it. Human being like you. Both men and women. They are the one producing that car. The car does not fall from heaven. The house material does not fall from heaven. They didn't fall from heaven. That you will just achieve it. The whole country will not hear word again. I'm using this opportunity to warn every one of you that is participating for such nonsense, nuisance. I call it nuisance. Because I see any of you that is doing such a thing, you don't have anything in your state. If you have, that will not be the priority of your life. It will not be a priority of your life because car is not richness. Building of a house is not richness. What you can do for your neighbor, what you can do for your brothers and sisters, what you can do for your community, the life you can save, the life you can rather help. That is what God wants us to be doing. Not you buy a car today, put it on YouTube. Build that tomorrow, put it on you. Look at somebody, I just saw climbing on top of whether roof is climbing on top of a fence, that this is a house and beauty for who? Beauty for yourself, or your mother, your father, your brother, your sister. And so, before I was born, my father built a house. Even me, I have my own. Must I put it for YouTube to see? For everybody to see? When you that build a house today, somebody will build tomorrow. Another person will build next tomorrow. What's so special? What's so special? You buy a car today, somebody will buy tomorrow. Another person will buy next tomorrow. What's so special? That anything that you people just buy in that you people just buy in my country, just put it on YouTube. I see people have not been buying it before. See, people have not been buying it before. Oh my shit, oh my shit. This is a pity. It's a pity. I'm ashamed of all of you. I'm ashamed of all of you. It's like somebody's leg is paining. You don't even know that he have a pain in his leg and jumping up and down. Nigeria is sinking every day. Instead of you people to think of what to do to make the country resurrect again. You people are opposing what you can achieve. What you can achieve is a pity. It's a pity. Just come out to warn all of you that is doing all this kind of rubbish. You should make sure you deviate from it. Bye.